In this video, we're going to be solving for y. Okay, we're going to turn our functions. Okay, we're going to transform it into y equals. So let's go ahead and get started. We're looking at 8x minus 3y equals 6 minus 4x. Okay, we want to solve for y. Our first step is to get rid of all of our subtractions. So we're going to change it. Yeah, I'm going to put that in red so you can see the changes. We're going to add negative 3y and add negative 4x. It just helps us to change all subtraction to adding its opposite, addition, so that we don't make so it reduces the integer mistakes that we can possibly make. Okay? So we have two terms over here. We want to get rid of our 8x term. To get rid of our 8x term, we're going to add negative 8x to both sides. So over here, I'm going to add negative 8x. Okay, and I'm adding it to the 4x term because I'm combining like terms. These are like terms. So I end up with negative 3y over here, because those cancel each other out, is equal to negative 4x plus negative 8x is plus negative 12x. Okay? And then my next step is to get rid of the negative 3. Since I'm multiplying to undo multiplication, I have to use division. So I'm going to divide by negative 3. So I have y equals 6 plus negative 12x over negative 3. Okay? I want to write my x term first. Okay? So I'm going to simplify negative 12x over negative 3. Negative 12 divided by negative 3 reduces down to 4x. Okay? And then it's going to be plus, and then 6 divided by negative 3. I've reduced that down to plus negative 2. So my equation is y equals 4x plus negative 2. If you want to rewrite it, you can write it as y equals 4x minus 2. Okay? Let's take a look at another one where we're solving for y. Okay, this one's done a little bit differently. Okay? We have our y term on our right. Okay? And we have 4x equals 2y plus 6. Okay, we need to move the 6 away from the y. Okay, we do the order of operations backwards. So we got rid of multiplication and division, or excuse me, addition and subtraction before we get rid of multiplication and division. Okay, so we're going to move the negative. We're going to add negative 6 to both sides to move that 6 over to the left. So we end up with 4x plus negative 6 is equal to 2y. And then our last step is to get rid of that 2, and we just simply divide by 2. Okay? And then we get y equals, and then let's simplify this. 4x over 2 is just going to be 2x plus negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. Okay, we want to write it so y goes in front. So we're going to rewrite it as y equals 2x plus negative 3. And if you want to write it as subtraction, 2x minus 3. We'll do one last one here, and it's one where we have to distribute. So there's a little bit more involved here. We have to distribute first. And over here, so we're going to do 3 times x is 3x plus 6y equals 12 plus 5x. We have our y term on our left, so we need to move our 3x over here. So we're going to add negative 3x to both sides. Combine it with the 5x that's already on the right. Cancels out. We have 6y is equal to 12 plus 5x plus negative 3x is 2x. We've got to move the 6. We've got to get rid of the 6. Multiplication there, so we've got to use division. So we've got to divide by 6. So we get y equals, and then let's simplify it. Okay, putting our x term first. Okay, 2 over 6 is 1/3 x, and then 12 divided by 6 is plus 2. So there is your final answer, 1/3 x plus 2. Hope this video helps for solving for y.